In this question, we are asked to show that given function f is 1 1 and 1 1 and on 2. To show that given function is 1 1, one must first understand it is meant by 1 1 and on 2. So first 1 1. 1 1 function means that for any two elements as inputs, that is for any elements x1 and x2, if x1 not equal to x2, then simply f of x1 not equal to f of x2, or otherwise speaking, if we found out f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then for sure x1 must be equal to x2, only then it's called 1 1. So let's check if the function is 1 1 or not. Let's take any two functions, any two numbers x1 let's say f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Let's consider two odd numbers, because only then we can check for the odd numbers if they're equal or not, because odd number can't be equal to even anyway. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then for the even odd numbers, for the odd numbers, we get this one is x1 plus 1 is equal to x2 plus 1. That implies if 1 and 1 cancel on both sides, this becomes x1 equal to x2, which is required to show for 1 1 function. Now we have for even numbers, again f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Now this is for even numbers, so which is x1 minus 1 is equal to x2 minus 1. If minus 1 get cancelled on both sides, this becomes x1 is equal to x2 again. So therefore x1 is equal to x2. No, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, this much is proved. So that means given function is 1 1. Now we are supposed to show that it is onto also. So before doing that, let's understand what onto mean. So a function is said to be onto only if its range, that is f of x, is fully exhausting the range term, that is codomain is simply equal to domain. How to show this is happening? So now if I take the numbers, so I have to show that range, that is f of x, is fully spanning the natural numbers. Now let's see. Given function is x1 plus 1, f of x is equal to x of x is equal to x plus 1. This is if x is odd. This is equal to x minus 1 if x is even. So from this I get, if I take number 1, since inputs are only natural number, they begin at 1, then output is simply 2. If input is 2, since it's even, I get function 2 minus 1, so that is 1. For 3 it is 2, for 4 for 3 it is 4, for 4 it is 3. As you can see, numbers are just interchanged, that's all, but all the numbers are following up. Next, for 5 and 6 we get 6 and 5. As you can see, all the numbers are being there in the range, so range is exhausting the natural number set. Therefore here given function is both 1 1 and onto.